What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, we have another package here to unbox. Blue Alien on deck. So this is something from HGLRC. This came from Banggood though. The HGLRC Parrot 120 Bind and Fly. So let's pull it out. So this is it here. Let me get the light on. There we go. So these are HGLRC 1103. Looks like 8,000 kV. Yep, 8,000 kV motors, 1103. And so let's see what else we have in here. We have a pair of props here. We have a set of props here. Two sets actually. 65 millimeter. And we have some screws in here. I guess those are mounting screws, but we don't need those for these type of props here. And we have a battery strap. A little manual in here for the receiver. And this is for the drone here. Color illustration. Tells you all the channels you have for the FPV and all. Got a few of the connections there. Tell you what the ports are and all. So let's look at it. Pull this cap off. I think it's the EOS 2 in here. And we have a little capacitor right here in the back. So I can't wait to get this little guy in the air. It's really cold outside though and windy, but it should be able to fare well in there. Oh, we have a nice little battery grip here. Nice little grip for the battery. Nice little touch. They didn't include a battery. I'm guessing this is going to be a 2S flyer though, because these motors are very high on the kV. They're 8,000 kV. So I think this is only a 2S flyer. Let's push these props on here. I'm guessing that they're going to turn the traditional way. The normal direction. Props in. Let's see what it looks like with the props on. I picked all of them the correct direction except for that last one. Okay, so this is how it looks. Pretty snazzy. I like the red. You guys know I like red and black. So you guys can expect to see some flight footage of this coming up really soon. It's the HGLRC Parrot 120. Thanks for watching.